Mhm. Assembly level program that calculates the average of 50 numbers stored in consecutive memory. Okay, what we are supposed to do? Assembly level program. Okay, assembly level program है where we are calculating average of 50 numbers stored in consecutive memory, where we will calculate average of 15 numbers that are stored in our memory, that is consecutively. Okay, so we are having this piece of code where we are going to write in assembly level language, right? Okay, mov move to cx, set loop counter to 15. We will be putting cx as 15, and then we will move to bx. What is bx and cx? We will define it afterwards, but let's just say cx is 15 and bx is number. Set bx to point to first number. We will be like bx will point towards, okay, bx will be pointing towards the first number, bx, yeah, bx will be pointing to the first number, and we are assigning it name numbers. Now will perform xor operation with ax comma ax. We'll write ax, clear ax to accumulator to accumulate sum. We will be like clear ax to accumulate sum, right? Now we will be performing the sum loop, sum underscore loop function. We are defining a function over here, right? Def जैसे Python में होता है, then just like that we are defining sum loop. Sum loop will be having the following commands. First command is add. What do we add? We will add ax. This is a say two format instruction, ax and bx. What is it? What is bx? We are having bx is a register which is used to point at the current number. Bx will point towards bx will point towards current number. Correct? Right. Okay. Add bx and add ax and bx. So what is ax? We already know that ax is a way to point out at the ax is used to accumulate a sum of the number. See, ax will be 0 when we are starting off. So ax will be storing the sum. Bx will point towards the current number, and ax will be storing the sum. That is that. Okay, whatever we have added so far, so it will be storing that. Now we are going to add ax comma bx. So initially ax is going to be 0, but we are going to add bx, the value of bx in a. See, this is not bx, this is value of bx, right? This bracket means that the memory location जो भी होगा, we are going to add the value of it. Then we will add bx comma 2. Move bx to pointer to the next number. We will be moving this to next pointer. Next pointer पे move. Next mode पे move. Then we will be like dec, that is decrement the loop counter value, dec cx. So देखो, we have now defined three variables, ax, bx and cx. So cx is nothing but it is the loop counter, right? It is a loop counter that we have in cx. So I and j and z, repeat until all the numbers have been added. j and z, sum underscore loop, right? And then what we'll do, move to cx comma 15, set cx to 15, divide divide the sum by 15. So up to this point what we are doing, we are adding numbers, but in our question, as we can see, that we have to find the average of 15 numbers. Okay, so over here from this line onwards we are averaging averaging the sum, right? Move cx to 15, that is set cx to 15, and divide cx, that is what was cx is a loop counter tha cx, divide the sum 15 to get the average. Divide cx to get average. So whatever the value we have counted so far, we will be dividing it with 15, right? Then we will write result move result ax, so the result in memory. So ax में we will store the result, correct? Yeah, अपना इतना तक का कोड हो गया. Now we will write the fourth program. What does the fourth program say? The fourth program is Fibonacci series. We all know what Fibonacci series is. Fibonacci series is like 0, 1 will be getting 1. 1 plus 2 will get you 3. 3 plus 1, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 numbers, so we'll be like 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 11. Right? 11 plus 5 plus, yeah. Okay, so we will be adding these two numbers, these two numbers, these two numbers, and these two numbers. We will be like 2 plus 1, 3. Now, what will do? 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 11. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is what Fibonacci series is. Okay, Fibonacci series में first comment will be maximum numbers stored in memory location max numbers. Maximum numbers stored in max underscore location, right? Then Fibonacci series will start at location fib series. And the second comment is Fibonacci series start at fib underscore series. Okay, so the first line of code is move cx comma. So like cx is, what is cx? What is cx? Cx contains the maximum number. Right. That is what cx is. Whatever the value of maximum number is, we are going to move it to cx. Then second line of command is move bx comma fib series. What is move set bx to point to the first element of the series? Okay, fib series. What we'll do? We will bx will be pointing at first number of the series. Right. Cx will be containing the maximum numbers that are there, and bx will have the first number of the series. Correct. Move ax to 0. Move ax to 0. Set first number element to series 0. Correct. Now we'll do move bx comma ax. Move bx, value of bx comma ax. Add bx and increment bx to the next element of the series. What we'll do? We'll add the number with bx and ax. We'll move bx comma ax. Then after adding them, we will be pointing the bx to the next number, so that is incrementing bx. Then move bx comma 1, bx to the next element of the series. Okay, and see the second element of the series to 1. Say see second element 1 and move value of bx comma ax, right? Then we will be writing Fibonacci loop, fib loop. This is our fib loop. Add bx comma 2, move bx to the second element of the series. Here we will move bx I hope we are all catching up. Yeah, it's recording and it's been how long? It's been 25 minutes and we're going good, I guess. Hopefully this stays the same. I think I don't see my laptop hitting very much, so yeah, we are fine. Then next command is move dx, comma bx minus 2. Load previous element of the series into bx and ax. Then we will be doing the add dx, comma bx minus 2. Okay, so here it was 4, not 2. Then we will be writing copy dx, comma cx, check for maximum numbers. Okay, we will be writing check for maximum numbers, cmp number. Then we will be checking. Then gb fib underscore done. If so, exit loop. See what are we are essentially doing. If so, exit loop, and then move to bx, comma dx. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, store next number of series. Okay, so at this point, what we are essentially doing is that we are measuring key when the Fibonacci loop is going to occur. This is my Fibonacci loop, and what is the Fibonacci if done? What is this code fib done? This code, this says that fib done. That fib done says that whenever we have reached to the maximum number of what we are supposed to find, then what we'll do? We'll say, okay, bhai sahab, hamara ho gaya. I'm leaving. Yeah, that is simple.